Hey guys, I do want to let you guys know that I did not put a discussion for this week. I was supposed to, and it didn't link. So instead of me putting it this week, I'm going to put it for next week. So you guys will have a discussion next week. You'll have an activity. You'll have most likely probably a TED Talk as well. I did read over your assignments about me, and I did grade them. I was really impressed with a lot of them. You guys are really creative, so thank you for that. I also adjusted your quiz if you didn't notice. I saw that it was my error for that one question. Everybody must have got it. So everybody got that one question correct. I just gave it to you guys. And what else did I want to mention to you guys? Make sure you do watch the lectures because they are going to be on the quiz. So we're going to have a quiz coming up after, I believe, chapter 5. So just make sure you do watch those lectures. They would help out on the quiz. So with the next quiz that you guys do get, it's going to be over the chapters. Okay?